Hi guys, so I began the socializing process with the dog and Lucky, and as expected, Lucky is still threatening the dog, so I've put her in front of the TV and Backup is safe with me on the couch. I already introduced Lucky yesterday to the dog by putting the dog on the couch, and I was sitting on the couch as well with Lucky on the glove. And obviously I held on to Lucky very well while my boyfriend was holding on to the dog, because the dog was curious and wanted to sniff Lucky, but of course he couldn't come too close or otherwise Lucky would have scratched his eyes out. So as expected, Lucky is acting aggressive towards the dog, but as you can see now, sometimes she's getting more relaxed. I think she might accept him after a while, I don't know. If it doesn't happen, it's not a big deal. No, don't bite it. He wants to bite the remote. So yeah, I think this is day one of the socializing process, and I guess I would call yesterday the introduction or something. And yeah, just stay tuned to see how it goes. Ooh, she's acting more relaxed. If you like this series about the socializing process between the dog and my owl, then please give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. And yeah, stay tuned to see how this little experiment is going. Back up. Oh! Kom back up. Wacht, hè. Nog eens. Back up. Come back up. Back up. Kom dan. Kom dan. Die volgt gewoon mijn voeten, hè. Yeah. He's following my feet. Ah! Back up. Okay, so we've played, he has eaten a bit, he's drunk some water, and we went for a walk, he peed, and now he's probably super tired, so we put him in the bench so he can get some rest. I'm just super glad he's eating again, because yesterday we had to take him back to the breeder because he wouldn't eat, and the breeder said he was just mourning. No, the breeder said he was missing his sister, and apparently this happens a lot, that dogs just refuse to eat and after 3 days they die. So we took him back to the breeder, and as soon as he saw his sister eating, he started eating as well, and now it's just a different puppy, because yesterday there was no life in him. He just slept all day, and we thought he was ill, but he was just missing his friends and his family. But today he's doing much better. He's eating, he's drinking, he's playing. He's already super attached to us, so I'm really glad. And we bought him a stuffed animal. I don't know if that's going to help, but yeah, we put him in the bench now, and it's clear that he needs to get used to this because he's been sleeping in the couch. But I'm not going to give in. He needs to learn to sleep and sit in the bench. And I put Lucky in the living room again. So he is safely in the bench, which is closed, and Lucky can get used to a dog being around. I apologize for the dirty floor, but because the dog has already been through so much, I don't want to scare him more by vacuuming. I know it's important to learn your dog to get used to everything like vacuuming, but I'll probably do this tonight or tomorrow. I just don't want to stress him out even more. Okay guys, this is really tough love, but I know I need to ignore the dog. It breaks my heart, but he'll calm down. It was even worse a minute ago, so he'll calm down eventually.
No, of course not, Mrs. Potter. I assure you, whoever is responsible for this will be flogged within an inch of their life.